Good morning, guys. Today is Champions League games, and Arsenal is playing today. Also, Barcelona. So let's get started. The first game we have today is a game between Guna taking on Zamalek in Egypt Premier League, and my prediction here is under 1.5 goals, meaning they will score only one goal or none in this game. The next one we have is in Lithuania, where FK Kanu Zagilis is taking on FK Trans Invest, and my prediction here is under 2.5 goals. The next one we have is a game between Barcelona taking on Napoli, and my prediction here is under 2.5 goals at full time. The last game we have here is a game between Western taking on Bramley FC in the England National League, and my prediction here is that both team or both have under 1.5 goals, meaning they will score under 1.5 goals in each of the half of the match. So that gives us a total of 4 matches, total of 37 odds. And that is all I can share with you today. I believe today games will be a good one, successful. So let's hope for winning today. Okay, there is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And if you are using other bookmakers, I've mentioned the leagues and the names of the club and also the tips. So go ahead and select this game in your own local bookmaker and play this game. Thank you so much, and always remember to bet responsibly. I'll see you guys next time.